Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to assign a template to a page on your Shopify store, giving you full control over the look and feel of each page. First, open your browser and log into admin.shopify.com. Once logged in, click My Store from the homepage, then navigate to Online Store on the left-hand menu. Here you'll find all your themes. Click Customize next to your active theme. In the theme editor, look at the top left where it says Homepage. Click it and select Pages from the drop-down menu to see all your existing pages. Now click Create Template. Name your template something relevant to the page you're designing, then click Create Template again to save it. Once done, exit the customization environment. Next, go back to the Pages section and click Add Page. Give your page a title and add the content you want your visitors to see. In the same window, you'll find a drop-down labeled Default Page. Select the template you just created. Finally, click Save to apply your changes. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Shopify tips and tutorials.